In this video, we're going to explore Gen 2, a text-to-video model that will turn your imagination into generated videos. First, navigate to the Gen 2 Magic tool, where you will find a simple yet powerful prompt box. All you have to do is type in what you want to generate. In this case, a palm tree on a tropical island. Then you can adjust some of the settings like seed value or enable upscaling or interpolation through your generation. Then click the Generate button. Once your video is done, you can rate your generation, which helps the Runway team improve Gen 2, and your video will automatically save to your assets folder. You can also download it to your computer or continue adjusting your prompt and generating from this page. If you're ever feeling stuck and need some inspiration, you can view a Gen 2 inspiration feed below the prompt bar and remix existing prompts. Gen 2 will also work with an image reference as well. All you have to do is upload an image reference along with your prompt, and Gen 2 will use that image to influence your generations. When prompting, I find it helpful to structure prompts in this way. The initial base prompt, in this case a palm tree on a tropical beach, followed by in the style of, then including some different style descriptions. A palm tree on a tropical beach in the style of professional cinematography, shallow depth of field, feature film. That prompt is going to return something a bit more cinematic, where a palm tree on a tropical beach in the style of 2D animation, cartoon, hand-drawn animation will give me something a little bit more cartoony and animated. If you can imagine it, you can generate it.